Hi, this is Greg. Thanks for being here. Today we're going to take a look at another floor framing detail from the Truss Joist Installation Guide for Floor and Roof Framing. In this video, we're going to concentrate on how to put together multi-ply beams. The L6 detail shows us how to make multi-member connections for top-loaded beams. If your beam is side-loaded, it's a more complicated situation and the L6 detail cannot be used. To begin with, you want to double-check that both ends of the beam are square. And if you don't have a square end, you'll want to square and cut off one end to ensure proper installation. Now you're ready to cut the beam to length. Now in this case, we're using Truss Joist Microlam LVL, which is a commonly used engineered wood product for multi-ply beams. You can also use TimberStrand LSL or Paralam PSL. One important thing to consider is what type of fasteners and nailing schedule you'll need. This will depend on the number and thickness of the plies that you're using. The best approach is to check the fastener schedule in the Truss Joist Installation Guide for Floor and Roof Framing for building multi-ply beams out of engineered wood products. In this instance, we're connecting two plies of 11 7/8 inch Microlam LVL using 3-inch long 10D nails. Based on the table in the guide, we need to use 3 rows of 10D nails at 12 inches on center. Since there are only two 1 3/4 inch plies, we only need to nail from one side. Now once that's finished, the Microlam can be installed into the floor system. Making connections using multi-ply beams is fairly common when framing floors. Now you can feel confident about how to do this properly. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video brought to you by Weyerhaeuser, manufacturer of Truss Joist engineered wood products. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series of floor framing details, which you'll find online at trussjoist.com/videos. You can also find more detailed information on floor framing in the Truss Joist Installation Guide for Floor and Roof Framing, which is available online or from your local representative.